host, Efren Alaso. I will be your master of ceremony for tonight. Samahan niyo po kaming salubungin ang ating celebrant for her wonderful party this evening. Now, before anything else, I'd like first to introduce the immediate family of our dear celebrator. Tatawagin ko po sila isa-isa at palambing po ako ng palakpakan once na lalabas ang aking tatawagin tao. Start with Mr. Joshua Casano together with Karen and John Lucas Casano. And of course, we have Mr. Carson Arboleda. Lakas mga congressman to. Now, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang proud family ng ating birthday celebrator. How about giving them another warm round of applause? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, AJ, CJ, Joshua, Lucas, and Karen, together with Doc Aton. Okay, you can kindly take your seat for a while. Maraming salamat. Sabi ni Joshua sa wakas, mukhang pagod ka na sa suot mo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the past 17 years, you've watched this amazing little girl, and tonight, she's turning into a fine woman. Let us welcome her, but before the grand entrance, I'd like first to give you a short glimpse of the past 17 years. So let's take a look at the widescreen and watch this presentation.